Dear children, welcome to 12th mathematics. We are just going to learn very important point, very important question, and we can see it is the gateway of ITF, inverse trigonometric function. Dear children, the basic question in this chapter is that you must know how to find the principal value of any inverse function with given value like this. See, find the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2. Let us see how to solve these type of questions. Dear children, first of all, whatever is given, we will suppose this is equal to y. You can suppose theta also, but here I have taken, suppose that sine inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to y. Whatever is given in the question, suppose this is equal to y. And then take this sine inverse to RHS. So this will go to y and it will become sine y. So sine y will be equal to 1 by root 2. So you can write sine y is equal to 1 by root 2. After getting this, you will find the value of this one in terms of sine. Please see, this is very important thing. See, dear children, 1 by root 2, we can write sine y is equal to sine pi by 4. Here one thing is very important, this value we can get for many angles, but it must be this theta, whatever you are putting here, this must be under principal value branch. Okay, now see, this thing you have to always keep in front of you, this one, it must be made handy by you and make it a single piece and always put it in front of you. See, here we have all the principal value branches. So here we are finding for sine inverse. Okay, sine inverse. So for sine inverse, see, sine inverse, what is the principal value branch? It lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, including these two values. So dear children, whatever we are writing here, it must be between these two. It must belong to this one. Please, this must be very clear. This angle, whatever you are writing here, pi by 4, it must belong to this one. Okay. Now sine y is equal to sine pi by 4. So we can write y is equal to pi by 4. And now y, what is y? Y we have supposed sine inverse 1 by root 2. So sine inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to pi by 4. This is the answer. And remember, for other inverse functions also, the answer of this type of questions will be one angle. Okay. Now you have been very much aware about this question, and after that we will solve another question. Thank you.